Kajing sapriang ka video ha kawai ka YouTube channel shiman kabala batai shapangi scheme jongki MP Lok Sabha na Shillong kata ha kapor ba Vincent H Pala bat natura ha kapor ka agatha ke sangma bat kumju jong MP Rajya Sabha ka jalla u Dr. WR Kharlukhi kabala penlong yo new MP Rajya Sabha ban Kyntait ya ka Jingkynnoh Habakran cikilat pathai kubor ha kanok pai singin jong arpau tarik jelio arjar psa u Dr. Kharlukhi ulaong baka Rukom pen i bat batai unu brio ha ka YouTube kalong Kumba pen i bau MP Rajya Sabha u deu Nongtuh Ula ben rab ba salya bandai along ladaki lap bau penan kam baklaya kepisa kumbala syakno. Ula itu bol ujo dag ejahar cheki bor pulit ke cyber crime cell ban kem yau teu briu.
40 years of politics. So that's why I came to clarify on that thing. I don't know, you may feel that it is silly, but to me it's not silly because I value my value-based politics. So this morning I came up from a YouTuber who tried to present me as an MP that I was corrupt. And not only that, I have already complained to the cybercrime. Because the way it was presented, I don't know whether you have seen it or not. The way it was presented to me, I feel it was presented in that way. And then the way that remarks came, of course not only for me, all the three MPs. For me, this is what I really value. Right from the day I was in politics, even my mother and father have taught me that whatever I may be, I should try to live with integrity. So that's why I call this press conference. So I'll just listen to it.
Jungka Saksna Kumba MP Jungka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency Ulabat Laisin Kum MP Udeban Yok Kumba Nyo Posa Limba Jungka Nega MP LATS scheme Batum Churu MP Jungka Rajya Sabha Udan Yeda scheme Baga Sorkat Prega Bahak Kerbang Naga Penta Kajungdi MP Jungka Rajya Sabha Kyntait MP juga Rajya Sabha Hiding Shri Panway Kharlukhi na East Kashmir District ka total entitlement kadai kan arkulu lapalai pisa yukulu dan sang sesangkulu ka on sanction kadai 0.0 kulu ka on spend kadai 0.0 kulu kani kadai jums nam R1000 R1000 lain Pila aruban pwede hamto yung wiki parki MP juga Lok Sabha, lani ki MP juga Rajya Sabha. Kila dondo hamto baro katno kiyo, pat katno ki bendu, pat kumta terta. Kumta ini gide ki jisha, yeke jingo scheme joki MP juga Lok Sabha, pat ka Rajya Sabha hapo janggurunya.
See, the point here is when you look at the, when you look at the those, what do we call it? When you look at this, when you look at the comments, so the impression was that in the comments that we seems to be stealing the fund. That's why I told you that I have lodged a complaint with the cyber crimes because it is not like this. So my thing here is that, like I've told you earlier, nearly 40 years I have been in politics. Right from the day I grew up, my parents never taught me that I should live by cheating. At least God is blessing me. And I'm open for any investigation. And well, I'll tell you that if anybody has a proof, I will not be like any other leaders. If anybody comes and give it to the press that I have, I have taken such and such amount, myself, I will write to the government. I'll ask for a CBI inquiry and I'm ready to go to jail. Not now only, right from the day that I've joined politics. Anybody I accept for that inquiry. Okay. And second one, what I'll do. Suppose if a person brought something out in the paper which I do not do, I'll go for defamation case because he's defaming me. That's why I want to clarify myself. And well, like I told, I'm transparent. I have 3 bank accounts. One is in Barabajar, one is in Layukra, another HDFC in Layukra. I'm open to that. I'm open to it, even if they want for a rate from anything without informing me at my house. So my feeling is that, I try to live this type of politics, and at the verge of my thinking that, well, I've nearly reached 40 years. I'm going to retire. Such thing comes. So I feel that it is, though it comes in YouTuber, like I told you, I've already complained to the cybercrime. Let's see what it comes. I think that I should clarify so that at least my name is clear and I'm open to anything.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka batau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.